Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Make sure the battery reads at least 12 volts and you have the ignition key or fob with you. Once done, park safely and turn the ignition to on so the dash powers up. Now use the cluster controls, mode, select, or left/right switches to open the settings menu. You're not fiddling around. Go straight to the System or Security menu to enter programming mode and prepare to input the current security code. You'll navigate the security submenu using the cluster buttons, find Change PIN or Change Code and select it. Next, when prompted, enter the current security code exactly as stored. This unlocks programming. Then type your new PIN, typically 4 to 6 digits, and enter it again to confirm. This double entry prevents typos. Make sure to follow each prompt and watch for a confirmation message or tone. If the dash asks to save, choose Save or Yes, so the new code is written to the immobilizer. After saving, turn the ignition OFF, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on and test the new code plus the fob's arming/disarming. If the bike refuses to start or the dash still expects the old code, first recheck battery voltage and the fob battery, then re-enter the code carefully. If problems persist, try a soft reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes to clear residual faults. Otherwise, visit an authorized dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.